Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make American pancake. I am going to explain tips and details so you can follow along as you make the recipe in your home. Let's start by adding 1½ cup of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix them well. Then keep the mixture aside until ingredients combine together. Into another large mixing bowl I am adding 1¼ cup of milk. I am using fresh milk, but you can substitute with soy or almond milk if you like. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and this is optional. Greek yogurt will give amazing taste to the pancakes. Then I am adding 1 medium egg and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for the taste, and this is also optional. To the mixture now I am adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And then I am mixing all ingredients. Write me here in the comments below where you watching from, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. After mixing all the wet ingredients I am now adding flour into the mixture. Then mix them well. Mix them until there are no longer any large lumps. Make sure you're not over mixing, as this will lead to your pancakes being quite tough. If you still watching the video, you are loving my recipe. If you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this recipe. Preheat your pan over the medium heat. Add a little bit of oil into the pan and spread the oil evenly with paper, and this will remove excess oil as well. When there is too much oil in the pan, the pancake surface won't get an even golden color. Scoop out the batter and pour into the pan. Leave the pancake to spread on its own and cook for a few minutes. You'll know it's ready to flip when air bubbles start to form on the top. Flip and cook for a further few minutes on the opposite side until color changes to golden brown. Now you can enjoy them with your favorite toppings, like whipped cream, fresh fruits, or your favorite syrup. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. See you in the next video. Thank you.